In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to filter spam text messages on your iPhone. First of all, you have to update your iPhone to iOS 26 or newer version. Now, go to your iPhone settings. In settings, scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on apps. Now from this app list, you have to find out messages, then tap on messages. In here, if you scroll down, here you will find filter spam option. All you have to need, just enable filter spam option, and if you want, you can also enable unknown senders option. And then just go to your messages app, tap on this filter icon, and now you can see all your unknown senders messages by selecting unknown sender, and you can check all your spam messages by tapping on spam. So that's how you can actually filter spam text messages on our iPhone.